Hey guys! So nandito ulit tayo sa airport. So another travel, another vlog. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa travel tax. So as usual, we paid 1,620 and then nag-baggage drop na rin tayo. So ngayon, we're waiting for other friends para sa ating boarding. I'm at the airport. I'm going places. Hi there! Yan. So sila ang ating kasama sa ating Bangkok trip.
Hindi na kinilo yan.
Yeah. Okay, so tapos na kami dun sa baggage drop. Papunta na kami sa immigration. So reminder, make sure na nakapag-sign kayo dito sa e-travel. So kasi hahanapin yan. Alright, so nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. Very easy lang naman yung questions. So they just asked me about where I work and who's with me and how many are we for this travel. So, and that's it. We are now boarding. So this is the whole gang for Thailand. Hey guys! So, pasakay na kami ng plane. So, see you guys in Bangkok. So we just landed Bangkok.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed.
Welcome to Thailand! Hey guys! So nandito na tayo sa Bangkok! Sawadee ka! Okay, so upon exit, after claiming our baggage, we claimed our SIM card na we purchased sa Klook doon sa may 4th floor. The network is DTAC. Okay, so kain muna tayo dito sa airport food court. Nandito siya sa my ground level. So if you plan to eat here, dito sa my food court sa airport, kailangan nyo ng Magic Food Point card. And then ito yung gagamitin yung pang-purchase sa mga food stalls dito. So nag-load lang ako ng 200 kasi that's enough for a meal and coffee. And then kung may excess, pwede nyo rin ibalik doon for return and change, of course. First purchase, coffee. Coffee, I need coffee. So 15 points siya dito. So I ordered cappuccino. So ito yung in-order ko dito, Hainanese chicken and of course coffee. After eating, nandito na kami sa basement, no, para makapag-train. Ayan, so nandito yung train station. May dalawang options dito. It's either mag-express line ka or city line. So dito yung pag-claim ng packet wifi kapag nag-avail ka sa Klook. So nasa basement din siya, malapit sa train station. Now we are purchasing ticket for the train ride. So ito na yung train papunta ng city. So ang pinurchase namin ay going to Phaya Thai. And then from Phaya Thai, magta-transfer kami or baka mag-grab na kami diretso sa hotel. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Phaya Thai. And from here, baka mag-grab kami, mag-grab kami going to hotel. See ya! Grab is here, so let's now go to our hotel. So this is Yan Ratchawat Hotel and we are now checking in. All good, so let's now go to our room. So ang ating room number ay 608. So this is our room. Okay, let's check it out. So, syempre, room tour muna tayo. So, welcome to our room. As you can see, we have twin beds here. We have smart TV. And then we have this complimentary water and coffee and tea. And this is our shower area. Ayan. And of course, on the other side, ang ating toilet. Hello! So, ginutom kami ni Mems. So, humanap lang kami ng kakainan dito malapit sa hotel. Ayun yung hotel namin sa kabilang side. So, tumawid lang kami to look for a place to eat. So, yung iba namin kasama nagpapahinga kami. Medyo gutom. So, we're gonna be trying local food.
Call สวัสดี
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Kapang crab. So some locals recommended this restaurant called Sawadi. Well, basically we look for a good pad thai restaurant. So here you go. So they have dumplings, tapos pwede siyang i-fry. And so pad thai. Hello. Sawadika. Thank you. So dito sa gawing labas, yung cooking area basically to attract visitors. And then dito sa loob yung dining area nila. Yan. Okay, so let's squeeze some lemons here on top. Yan. Pampasarap ng lasa ng pad thai yan. Ito yung dumpling. So, ni-fry na siya. So, this is the dumpling. It's a vegetable dumpling. So, let's try it.
Sarap. Yeah.
Guys, check this out. Kung mapunta kayo dito sa area. So, it's really good.
Wala sarap.
Guys, try this. Sobrang sulit. Mura lang yung food, pero sobrang sarap. Hello! Kapun kap! After resting in our hotel, from Ratchawat, nag-grab na kami going to our first destination since we arrived Bangkok this morning. We are going to Krua Upsorn at Samsen Road, pero lumagpas kami kasi yung napin yata ay sa area ng Wat at Chatiwat. And since we are here, we took the opportunity to do sightseeing dito sa may Chao Phraya River before we walked back towards the restaurant. Hi vlog! Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa, what's the name of the restaurant? Krua Upsorn. This is also a Michelin-rated restaurant. So, I'm not sure if you can see the ratings there. Ayun. Yan. So, consistent siya from 2018 to 2023. So far, this is what we ordered. So, this is a prawn tom yum. And this is a crab meat ball. Something like that. Chicken, tom yum. And the rest of the gang is here. And this is crab omelette. Yeah. Okay. Guys, deserve ang Michelin star. Sobrang sulit. Sarap. Sobra. Diba? Simot yung mga plates namin. Guys, this is a must-try restaurant here in Bangkok. So, if you are near here, highly recommended. So, this is a Michelin restaurant from 2018 until 2023. And updated na siya until 2024. Hello guys! So, tapos na kami dito sa restaurant. Ang next namin ay sa Chinatown. Busog yan! Hey, what's up? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Chinatown. So, nagpunta ng Thailand para mag-Chinatown. Look at those lights. Diba? Sobrang colorful. Sobrang buhay na buhay ang gabi. So, I think food trip ulit kami dito sa Chinatown. There. Grabe, sobrang busy pala dito kapag gabi. Ito yung street. Ayan. So, dun sana kami kakain, pero sobrang daming tao. Ayan, no? Sobrang busy hanggang dun. So, we are looking for a food stall kung saan kami pwedeng umupo and to eat. Okay, so isa daw to sa mga masarap i-try dito, a must try. So this is what? And soft coconut pancakes. Let's try. It's good. Parang ano siya? Yung sa Pangasinan. Yung iniihaw, pinipig, hindi. Tupig. Nga, lasa siyang tupig. Oo. Order tayo dito ng drink dahil nakakapagod maglakad dito sa Chinatown. Okay, so I ordered lychee juice. Here you go. So let's taste it. Cheers, Dar!
Pag sikat ka na, huwag ka makakalimutan.
Sarap. Sarap yan. Hindi ko na ko yung tirik bata ulit-ulit. Oo, diba? Ganun siya kasarap, guys. Mapapatirik talaga yung mata mo. Ito po ang testimony na talagang masarap po yung dining. Grabe, the seafoods. Great. Kasi pang maasim lang siya yung bagoong. Oh my god, wanna try this? Tara, try tayo. Gusto nyo? Scorpion? Tara, try natin. So, dito 80 yung scorpion, dito 50.
Halika na sa tayo lang buhay.
Try muna natin sa worm.
Cheers! Opo!
Wala, babe. Crispy lang siya. Masarap.
Kumakagat pa.
Ano yan?
Ito medyo may white-white to sa loob.
So, may laman.
Wala. Parang lang siyang ano. Ito naman.
Hindi naman ito ipis eh.
Wala, parang siyang ano. Parang lang siyang regular fried. Yoko siya.
Try mo lang!
Alin masarap? Ito masarap.
Pare-pareho lang.
Actually, parang siyang...
Pero parang ayoko i-try.
Or that.
Hindi na.
Time!
Ano yan?
Oh, diba parang wala lang.
Wala lang!
Magot.
Inobserbahan ka just ni Ann. Diba? Parang mapapabili din.
Silkworm siya.
Wala nang next flight, Lars! You only live once.
Masarap siya.
Sarap, diba?
Ayoko na.
Oo, umulit ka nga. Sige nga.
Parang adobo. Try adobo. Ayan. Ayaw. Ikaw na dyan, Jerry.
Dad, yan. Mga gusto ng whatever. Marijuana. Coco ice cream. Long line.
Pero baka kasama yun sa experience.
Oh, may dip siya. May dip.
Hindi pa sa tanda na. Wala mo yung t-shirt na kumisa. Tabo na ko. Oo.
Sarap. So, paalis na tayo dito sa Chinatown. Make sure na pumunta ka dito ng empty stomach para maraming room for food. So, this is a really good place para sa food trip, no? So, marami kayong dapat i-try dito. So, it's a must visit when you are here in Bangkok. This is day 1 of Thailand trip. Good night. Ito nga pala yung facade ng hotel at night. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!